about 2 months ago, and since I made it, I have worn the wig about 3 times for a week straight each time. And this wig, to keep up with this wig, I just add water and it continues to keep this wave pattern consistently. This is a loose wave pattern. It's very easy to run your fingers through. I was thinking about dyeing this wig green, but man, I still love this wig 2 months later, so I think I might just keep this one the same and buy some more hair and color it maybe, or maybe just buy green hair. But yeah, since I made this wig, I have added liner to make the part look more natural. As far as the closure itself, I just took a clothes flatter and just ran over the part on each side to make it look more natural. This wig was really easy to make. It took me about an hour to make with hair glue for the majority of the wig, and then a needle and thread around the closure. I would definitely recommend to run a needle and thread around the closure a couple of times just to make sure it stays secure. For the most part, it's a really easy wig to make. This video is beginner friendly, so definitely tune in.
This is my wig, Julie. You'll see that she already has her wig cap on. I would recommend maybe a thicker wig cap due to when you cut the lace at the end under the closure, it can cause the sewing that you've done around the closure to disconnect or come apart. So that's why I again repeat, try to go around the closure a couple of times just to make sure it is as secure as possible. I often use pins to keep everything in place until they are attached by needle and thread or glue. Kind of want to keep everything as straight as possible to keep it from bunching up when you actually put it on. I'll try not to talk too much throughout this video. As you see, it's pretty much explanatory. Before I start the wig, I try to line up the hair in the order of how I would like it to be on the wig. So I start off with shorter hair in the back, and as I go up, I'll get longer hair, and then shorter again toward the top. Also, before this video, I took half of the hair and I dyed it a darker shade brown. So definitely tune into that video. You'll find it in the comments below. I'm going to jump ahead a bit. So here's the part I was talking about. I'm going to go through this really quickly because mine actually did come apart. So after it came apart, I had to go back in and pretty much just sew the closure back to the rest of the wig.
Wig out of hair glue and a little bit of needle and thread to make in about 30 minutes to an hour. You can have a wig on your head. In most cases I leave out hair, but since my original hair is now green, I didn't leave out any and it still looks just as questions. Please leave a few comments for me if you want to see something else in the future. Just let me know. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe. This video is of me installing an already made wig with my currently green natural hair. Tune in. I'm sure you guys will like it, and I'll see you guys next time.